Let's take a moment and explore some important safety tips for driving on interstates. Join us for a drive as we cruise down the interstate, adjusting our position on the road to navigate the ever-changing traffic. Our goal while driving is to maintain a halo of space or safety zone around our vehicle at all times. Remember, the right lane is designated for entering and exiting the highway and should be used when traveling at or below the speed limit. The center lane is intended for driving straight and at the speed limit. The left lane is reserved for overtaking other vehicles. Let's take a closer look at the situation happening to our left. We see two vehicles traveling side by side at the same speed. This is a scenario we should avoid. Never drive next to another vehicle while traveling at the same speed. It's important to create a halo of space or a safety zone around your vehicle. We are now closing in on the semi-truck in front of us and need to prepare to overtake it. First, we must complete a safe lane change. To do this, we signal our intention in advance, check our mirrors, and look back over our left shoulder to check for any vehicles in our blind spot. Once the lane is clear, we accelerate and move into the center lane. Before overtaking, we wait for the vehicles in front to clear the truck to avoid getting boxed in. When possible, move into the outer lane to create space between you and the truck. Then, accelerate past the truck and recreate your safety zone.